In Gael Linn, Kilmid Cúrsaí fall the Gaeilge level, Tosim with Machla, Bun level, Bun Rangala, Suscati Man level, Acquisition Suscati Ord level. Tamil Fásta Gaeilge each group, because Fásta Gaeilge each group in China Cúrsaí, it's an Oga Gusista, Firigus Mra.
Well, we cover everything from people who are just starting out, the new Irish, say New Irish for example, who have just come with no knowledge of the Irish language, never have even heard of language before, to people who would have done the couple of football at school maybe many moons ago, who want to get in touch again, maybe for the kids, the grandkids, etc.
Bhí mar ordmóthir Gaeilge ní raibh mé an caint Gaeilge go maith agus ní mé just to improve my Irish.
Roiim má an Gaeilge in Sáile, so Gaeilge maith agam mar scóil an Irish tá an de cultúr agam. So it's a bit disappointing, so what my feelings.
Ceann na cúiseanna móra go bhfuil tasí fan Gaeilge ceap na héana lá an Joanna go bhfeiceann siad go bhfuil tácht cultúra leis an teanga go mbeidh siad ionanis person tasí má beidir gomach féinolacht a chur le.
Cael mé mar tá mé denna sada Cearmánis, so bhí mé gur ceas chuéis mar chuig
Well, I go down to the Gaeilge on holidays quite a bit, and I just thought I would like to brush up and try and learn a bit more, maybe understand what they're saying without them knowing I can speak any.
Mar mí déanamid chuile rud an idir gnéithe den seanachais garáníocht denmid starnóí an go freisin a cínta denmdíocht an Gaeilge spráige amóna cuismhaintear denmid agus Captain Gael Linn an job.
I had just moved back from America, and while I was over there everyone was asking me to, say something in Irish, and apart from the few things that were drummed into you in school, I'd like to have been able to say a bit more.
Definitely finding that it's really, it's more positive. The Irish language is now viewed in Dublin in particular and around the country.